Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the class. We are doing the revision of the third chapter in geography, and we are doing about the minerals. We have done types of minerals, and now we will see what are the various processes of extraction of minerals. Uh, First of all, we see that this extraction of minerals can be divided into three types like mining, drilling, and quarrying. Mining is the process of taking out minerals from rocks which are buried under the earth's surface. And now, this mining can also be of two types, open cast mining and shaft mining. ओपन कास्ट माइनिंग में क्या होता है दैट minerals lie at shallow depth. The depth is not very the depth is not uh, high. It's a shallow depth, and the minerals can be taken out by removing the surface layer. This is open cast mining. And when in order to extract the minerals, deep bores are done, then it is called shaft. है ना? Because the minerals are available at great depths. So in order to reach there, drilling is to deep bore is to be done. This is shaft. Okay, and then we see that there are some minerals which are very below the earth surface. Shaft mining में जितना नीचे हम जाते हैं उससे भी ज़्यादा गहराई में, उससे भी ज़्यादा डेप्थ में मिनरल्स है. तो इस तरह के in order to extract these minerals, what is done that deep wells are bored, and this is called drilling. Okay, soft mining, and if we compare between the soft mining and drilling, we find that the depth at which this petroleum and natural gas is found is much more than those minerals which can be extracted by soft mining. So the method of uh, boring deep well in order to take these minerals out is called drilling. And then we see that the minerals which are near the surface, they are called quarrying. You simply have to dug out in order to take out the minerals, and you will get the minerals. So this is called quarrying. And now we see what is the distribution of the minerals. Minerals occur in different types of rocks. Rocks always contain some or the other mineral. So, uh, you know, in previous class, in class 7, you have read about different types of rocks like igneous rock, metamorphic rock, and sedimentary rock. These are the three types of rocks on the earth, and we find that some of the minerals are found in igneous rock, some are found in metamorphic rock, while others occur in sedimentary rocks. So, metallic minerals in general, not always, but in general, metallic minerals are found in igneous and metamorphic rocks. है ना? And this igneous and metamorphic rocks are found in plateaus, and we find that this iron ore is found in North Sweden, copper and nickel deposit in Ontario, Canada, iron, nickel, chromite, and platinum in South Africa. These are the examples of mineral where we see that they are found in igneous and metamorphic rocks. These are metallic rock, and like iron ore, copper, nickel, chromite, platinum. These all are metallic minerals, and these metallic minerals are found in igneous and metamorphic rocks, which is found in mm, like iron ore is found in North Sweden. So that is metal that is a metamorphic or igneous rock in which it is found. And now we see sedimentary rock formation, and this rock is mainly found in plains and young fold mountains, and it contains non-metallic minerals. Non-metallic minerals are contained in this sedimentary rock. Non-metallic minerals like limestones. Limestone deposit is mostly found in sedimentary rock like Caucasus region of France. It is found in Caucasus region of France. Then manganese deposit is found in Georgia and Ukraine. Phosphate bed is found in Algeria. These are some of the examples how the non-metallic minerals are found in sedimentary rocks. And some mineral fuels like coal and petroleum, these are found in the sedimentary strata only. Okay, and now we see the distribution of minerals in the world. What is the distribution of minerals in the world? So, in Asia, we find that China and India they have large iron ore deposits, and this Asia produces more than half of the world's tin because we see that the continent is full of minerals. China, Malaysia, and Indonesia, these are the countries which are among the world's leading tin producers. And not only this, we find that China also leads in the production of lead, antimony, and tungsten. And other than these minerals, Asia also has deposit of manganese, bauxite, nickel, zinc, and copper. And now we see Europe. Europe is the leading producer of iron ore in the world. Leading producer means the continent where the largest amount of iron ore is produced. And in this continent, the countries where just the largest amount of iron ore is found is Russia, then Ukraine, Sweden, and France. These are the four countries where we can see that a large deposit of iron ore is available. Russia, Ukraine, Sweden, and France. And then mineral deposit of copper, lead, zinc, manganese, and nickel are also found in Europe, that is in Eastern Europe and European Russia. You all know that Russia is a uh, is a country which is spread in two continents. Some half part of Russia is in Europe and half in Asia. So European Russia means that part of Russia which is in Europe. So in that part we find that copper, lead, zinc, manganese, and nickel are found. And now we see about North America. For the purpose of mineral deposits, we can classify the North America in three zones. The first is Canadian zone. You can see it is here. Yes, the first is Canadian region, which is north of the Great Lakes. Then the second is Appalachian region, and the third is the mountain ranges of the West. These are the three we can say zones where minerals are deposited, and In this Canadian region, we find that the minerals which are found are iron ore, nickel, gold, uranium, and copper. And Appalachian region is famous for coal, and the range of western range of mountains जो है western cordilleras भी जिसको कहते हैं, they have the deposit of copper, lead, zinc, gold, and silver. Okay, so this is about North America. You can see in the map also. No, it is given in the map. And now we see South America. In South America, we find that Brazil is the largest producer of high grade iron ore. High quality iron ore यहाँ पर होता है, मिलता है ब्राज़ील में, है ना? And then Chile and Peru, they are the leading producers of copper. Chile and Peru. Then Brazil and Bolivia are the world's largest producers of tin. है ना? ब्राज़ील और बोलिविया जो है वो टिन के लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर है पूरे वर्ल्ड के. दिस इज इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर यू, है ना? एंड साउथ अमेरिका also has large deposit of gold, silver, zinc, chromium, manganese, bauxite, mica, platinum, asbestos, and diamond. And mineral oil is also found here in the countries like Venezuela, Argentina, Chile, Peru, and Colombia. And now we see about Africa. Africa is also rich in minerals, and we find that world का ये largest producer है diamond, gold, and platinum का. This is important. It is the world's largest producer of diamond, gold, and platinum. And in countries like South Africa, Zimbabwe, and Zaire. Now, South Africa, Zimbabwe, and Zaire, we find that it produces a large portion of world's gold. पूरी दुनिया में जितने भी गोल्ड का प्रोडक्शन होता है, गोल्ड जितना भी होता है, उसका large portion is produced in South Africa, Zimbabwe, and Zaire. And the other minerals which are found in Africa are copper, iron ore, chromium, uranium, cobalt, bauxite, and oil is also found in some countries like Nigeria, Libya, and Angola. And now we see Australia. Australia is the largest producer of bauxite in the world, and also it is a leading producer of gold, diamond, and iron ore, tin, and nickel. And it is also rich in copper, lead, zinc, and manganese. And we see that the deposit of gold is found in Western Australia, and the two areas are Kalgoorlie and Coolgardie. These are the two areas of Western Australia where we find the largest deposit of gold. And now the Antarctica. Antarctica is we see that the geology of Antarctica is sufficiently well known to predict the existence of a variety of mineral deposit. It is very much possible that a variety of mineral deposit is there in Antarctica. It may be very large also because the places are inaccessible. So deposit is there, but it cannot be uh, found and it cannot be come in use by the human beings. And the deposits which are available, we find that there is significant size of deposit of coal in trans-Antarctic mountains and iron near Prince Charles Mountains of East Antarctica. It is forecasted कि they are there, है ना. Trans mountains में coal और Prince Charles Mountain of East Antarctica में iron ore is. There is possibility, not possibility, ये है कि वहाँ पर है, it is found there, but it is not in use, है ना. Not only this, we find that iron ore, gold and silver and oil are also present there, but that the places are inaccessible. So that is the problem, कि it is not in use. And now we find the use of minerals. What are the uses of the minerals? So first of all, we see that minerals are used in many industries. Uh, we cannot think of our life without iron, copper. These are the important metals which are used in all industries. Then copper is also used for making coins, then pipes, everything. We nowadays we cannot think of our life without minerals like iron and copper. Then silicon is also very useful because it is nowadays it is used in computer industry, and the silicon is obtained from quartz. And aluminium is also very much important, which is used for making automobiles and airplanes. Then buildings, bottling industry, हर चीज़ में aluminium काम आता है, and this aluminium we get it from the bauxite. So these are really very much useful for us. Not only this, we find that there are some minerals which are used for gems also, because they are very hard, and so many jewelries are made from these minerals. So these are the uses of the minerals. And now we see conservation of minerals. We all know that minerals is a naturally occurring substance. It means that we cannot produce minerals naturally. It is found naturally only, and that is the reason it is non-renewable. The minerals which we are using are non-renewable, they cannot be renewed, and the process of making of mineral takes thousands of years. And thousands of years are taken by the taken in the process of formation and concentration of minerals, but we use it at a very high rate. तो जिस रेट से बनता है वो बहुत ही स्लो है, और जिस रेट से हम उसको यूज़ करते हैं वो बहुत ही फास्ट है. So that is why it is almost equal to non-renewable. That is why we are saying it is non-renewable. Process होता है, renew होता है. There is process of renewal of the minerals also, but it takes thousands of years in order to the formation and concentration of minerals. But we use them at a very higher rate, so it becomes non-renewable. So it is very much important. It is very much essential for our survival that we must conserve the minerals. How we can conserve the minerals? These are the three R's. You can see it is written here: reduce, reduce, recycle, and reuse. Reduce, it means that first of all we should reduce the our needs. We should reduce reduce the wastage of minerals also in the process of mining. We can reduce our needs also, which will reduce the use of minerals. Then recycling is also very much important. By recycling, we can make use of minerals more and more, and then just reuse. We should reuse many number of time anything if possible, So in this way, by adopting these three arts, we can conserve the uh, minerals. Okay, so we have done this conservation of minerals and all about minerals. Now in the next class, we will start power resources.